Okay, we're going to write the inequality x is greater than or equal to 7 in interval notation. So once again, this right here is just an inequality. X is greater than or equal to 7. And to do the interval notation, I would like to show you guys the graph first because it's easier that way, in my opinion. It's more visual. So let's talk about the graph for this inequality, okay? So for this right here, we draw a number line, and let me just make a mark right here and say this is 7. And since this is greater than or equal to, I do need to use a closed circle, meaning that I will have to include the number 7, right? And let me just make the circle better for you guys like that. And then, since it's a greater than or equal to situation, right? X is greater than or equal to 7, we are going to color this toward the right. So that's the graph. But this question is asking us for interval notation, so I'm going to do that right here now. So let's take a look at the interval notation. So this is how we're going to do it. Look at the number line and put down the left number first, right? Because you see, when you have a line, you have two ends. Put the left end first. The starting with the left end, it's a 7, so let's put that down right here. And then put down a comma. Well, do we have a right end point? No, we don't, because this right here keeps on going forever to the right. In this case, we'll use positive infinity right here to represent that this arrow keeps on going all the way to the right, okay? And now, you have to remember the interval notation. For the 7, we are going to use bracket because we are including the 7, okay? So I will just write this down right here. Use the bracket for this symbol when you include the number right here, right? And you use parentheses for greater than or just less than when there's no line down here, okay? Well, for infinity, you always use parentheses. So right here, we'll just put down parentheses. So for the parentheses, I will also say for infinities as well, right? So be sure you use the right symbol for the situation. But anyway, this right here is the answer. It's the interval notation for that, and we are done. That's it.